Good day, everyone. Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is June 27, 2023. Here is daily analysis for the market. Okay, so we had S&P 500 daily chart here. Nice rebound. As I said yesterday, we got into the first support of the market, and market, to be honest, pretty sharp move to the upside. Volume was pretty light, like 66 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. And as we expected, market just rallied off this area, and we will see how it goes. I think that we are still into this consolidation period. I'm not expecting this one is getting to a higher high, but who knows? Probably market do that. But again, next few weeks, especially July, August, especially first 2 weeks of July, this could be a volatile period for the market. So this is a bounce. This is that we expected. And based on the daily chart, we just got this over sold condition. However, the other indicators doesn't show the bottoming formation. So it seems like RSI is coming down to this trend line. If you want to ask me, if you can just provide a trend line here, but or draw a trend line here, but I don't like to draw that through when it's not in overbought or oversold. But anyway, so this can be just a B wave, and this B wave can go even to here, to this area, which is going to be a 4,400, as I mentioned yesterday, and then 4,400. Then we can just see another next wave of the leg down to here, to this area, which is going to be 4,250 to 4,300. So that is the level that I'm looking for, to be honest, for a bottoming formation, and it's going to be a first 10 to 20th of the July. So right now, if we see another sell-off going all the way down to here, that would be pretty sharp sell-off. So I'm not expecting the timing, but again, timing sometimes can go off, and we can see 14 days a period for the timing as a like bottoming formation, and then it just happened in the last 3 days. So for 10, 11 days, it's just doing it sideways. And then for the last 3 days, you will see a sharp sell-off to the downside to just fulfill the target, even in upside or downside. But right now, we are just giving the market benefit of doubt. This is going to be a good bounce, and probably we will see another just a bounce tomorrow. This bounce could be followed by sell-off to here, to this area, I should say. That's going to be great buying opportunity. Again, just be patient. So don't chase the price. Wait for the price to coming back to you. Like that's how we are doing. So this is the area, as I said. This is going to be a fantastic area. This is going to be a breakout level. This is going to be a consolidation, a demand area. So we are just waiting for price to coming back to us to here, even 50 SMAs here. And that would be great buying opportunity for the summer rally. So this is going to be SPY. Moving on to the Nasdaq, which was kind of like the leader for today. Nasdaq just forming a nice bull flag here. So this is going to be a nice formation. If we get above this, I should say it can go all the way to here to, again, 1,500, 177. And then after that, if it goes above this, probably that's not going to be the top. So we can go higher and higher. But I'm expecting this top to be met by later part of summer, like I should say early September, late August. So I'm just expecting period of sell-off here to this area. Then we can see a sharp rally after middle of July, August, and also the whole entire month of August could be kind of like a rally phase to here, and then September, October is coming down again sharply. So, but we'll see if it plays out that way. But this is kind of like the expectation that I have. This is a very, very steep, sharp rally to the upside. This is one of the most hated rally in Nasdaq, and everyone just expecting a lower low. Right now, we are just getting back to 78% Fibonacci level, which is pretty decisive moment for the market. And that's why we see this pullback to the downside. And this one can go a sharper decline as well. So I'm just waiting for that one. However, technology-wise, we were pretty in a good shape today. So we will get to those ones as well. Dow Jones, on the other hand, was pretty good. Like, unlike the the pattern that is forming. So Dow could be kind of like still in this ending diagonal form, a forming bottom for the next rally. So I'm not expecting Dow is going down at this time. I'm expecting Dow just for the bottom here, somewhere around here. And then this can just accelerate higher, even to double top or even new all-time high. So we will see how it goes. But right now, Dow Jones is in better shape, if you ask me. So this is going to be the bigger picture. Here's the reverse head and shoulder. And we just broke above neckline here. And then this is the back test. So this pullback needs to be completed by buyers, again, recommitting back to some defensive names, some predictable defensive names or value stocks. Then Dow could be the leader for the market, especially in summer rallies. So I'm still looking for a sector rotation, which I believe it's just started, just needs to give it time for the market. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to individual names, starting with yield. Yield is coming down, coming up today. So it's kind of like a pretty volatile day. So it's just a go below this ending diagonal, just supported by SMA 20 and then reversing back up. Still looking for kind of like the top information here for the yield, and then yield can go down. Everyone is saying another 25 basis. So that 25 basis can, I should say, accelerate yield to the higher, but at the same time, that could be kind of like a sharpened period of the cycle, like the high cycle for the yield. And we are just seeing that one. As soon as they increase the rate to the higher price or higher rate, they gonna just give the market less time to just adjust itself, and we are just getting into the recession very, very soon. So that's why I think Federal Reserve is gonna increase the rate, just because they want to just squeeze the economy as soon as possible. So yield went up, Treasury came down. So that was kind of like the scenario that happened, very, very typical. But however, Treasury just hold up for now. So this is kind of like the pattern that you see. We just got above this, but doesn't hold above it. So we just go down again to test this trend line here. So we will see if it goes below, especially this pivot. That would be kind of like an ugly. It can go to the lower low, but at the same time, if it goes just the consolidation here, that could be kind of like a signal for 108 for the Treasury, and then consolidation for 118 this year. I'm looking for 117, 118 by end of 2023, which is going to be a December. So we will see how it goes, but I believe December 2023, that could be kind of like a very, very well paid for the treasuries, and we will see how it goes. Moving on to gold, and just coming down today, so still in this correction or corrective move to the downside. So gold can have like, this is the area that we are just expecting. Gold is getting into this demand area still at the early stage. So even it can go down more for just the last sell-off for the gold, at least for now. And then we can see a bottoming formation for the next rally to the upside. I believe gold still needs to have more time or digest this area. If it's not holding up this level, then it can go down to here. Then it's gonna change our analysis. Right now, it's just the same as before. Crude, same stuff, just an ugly day today, but it's not that bad based on this consolidation. I know it's ugly, I know it was negative, but stocks like energy stocks, they didn't go that bad. So they just hold off for now. Crude, however, it's just a forming kind of like a head and shoulder. If it goes below this, then it can go to the lower low. So this is a low, this is a lower low, and probably just sharp sell off to 61, 65. That could be the scenario for crude if it doesn't hold up this area. So it's kind of like indecisive moment for crude. VIX coming down today again. So VIX still in this ending diagonal. So that's why I'm saying probably we'll see in next 2 days, we'll see a lower low for VIX. However, market just doesn't go to the higher high, and it's going to go to the lower high, and then this can form out very, very well for the next move to the upside. So we'll see how it goes. Dixie coming down today. Yield was up, but Dixie coming down. So that's interesting. Seems like market is kind of like a detached from each other, and those names are not talking to each other at all. So Dixie just coming down again. If it goes below this pivotal point, then it can go to test this 100 to 101 again later down the road. Moving on to technology stocks, which had a great day today. So Apple, new all-time high again. So Apple is on fire right now. It's just this is SMA 20, and it just keep the momentum up, and it closed below SMA 20, which is this area, or this area could be kind of like interesting because it's gonna give us a sell-off to downside to here, but right now Apple is in good momentum so far. Amazon just coming back, $1.85 to the upside. So consolidating here prior this, I should say, supply area or scene of crime, or this wide range bar. If it consolidates here, it can go higher as well. So we'll see how it goes. Meta, just the $8.58 to the upside. Pretty nice day for Meta. So we'll see how it goes. Microsoft, $5.97 to the upside. Microsoft is not catching up with Amazon or kind of like a Meta or Apple. It's just coming down as forming kind of like a week. So Microsoft below is SMA 20. That is the warning sign for the market, because this trillion-dollar company needs to just catch up with the market. Right now, it's just losing its momentum. Google finished up doji bar today. I know it's kind of like a positive candle, but compared to yesterday, it was like a 1 cent down, just because market was positive. So Google gapped down and then retracing back up. Still, like Microsoft, this one is in rolling shape to the downside, losing the momentum. As I said, 107, 100 to 107 could be the foreseeable scenario for Google. Netflix, $1.14 up. Nothing bad, nothing good. It's just sitting on SMA 20. Tesla, 3.8% to the upside. Pretty nice setup here. So Tesla just a drop and pop. So this is one of the setup that I teach in my classes, and right now it's just forming very, very well. It goes to this SMA 20 and a nice pop to the upside, but I'm not sure if it goes above this. So probably we'll see another lower high here and then rolling over for another setup to 207. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the semiconductors, SMH, just a 3% to the upside. Nicely recapturing SMA 20, which is bullish. However, we are at kind of like a pretty close to double top or new all-time high. So, but after market, look at that, 149, just a sell-off continues after market. I don't know what happened after market. Stocks, the same pattern, just a recapture SMA 20, but goes down after market. TSM, $1.97 up. After market, it goes down as well. AMD, something goes wrong after market, just because these names are coming down sharply after market. So 108.75, so that is after market. Nvidia coming down. Look at the after market, it goes down. So probably tomorrow we will see something crazy happens. Texas Instrument, look at the candle, just goes all the way up to here. Pretty nice candle. This one serves or kind of like giving a service to military equipment, like Lockheed Martin, General Dynamics. They're just buying stuff from Texas Instrument. And this is one of the best semiconductors producers. And this name at 4% to the upside with Lam Research. So this tells me something, that probably something crazy is happening out there. And the demand for military stuff is getting, again, rocking again. Lam Research, look at the breakout to the upside. This candle is pretty nice. We are just getting close to kind of like a new all-time high, or at least double top here. So it's just another $80 to the upside for Lam Research to get to a new all-time high. So this candle tells you that momentum is pretty high, but after market, it just went down like the other semiconductors. We'll see how it goes. Moving on to financials. As I said, financials are are doing better even with this pullback. Just don't worry, because they're going to just find the bottom and reversing back up. Like the rest of the market, financial XLF, just going up at 26 cents, KBE 44 cents to the upside, KRE 68 cents to the upside. JP Morgan just 1 cent to the upside. JP Morgan is not that strong. So this is the bear flag here for the next leg down. So possibly we'll see how it goes. Goldman Sachs finally positive after this waterfall. So Goldman find a support here in this gap, in this hammer here, just getting below this stop hunting level, going below this. So Goldman is going to be a good scenario for buy, if you ask me. Bank of America, 15 cents upside. Wells Fargo, 32 cents to the upside. Moving on to the gold miners, 42 cents to the downside. Gold miner weak, so that's why it just following up the crude gold price. Right now, it's just sitting at SMA 200, a moving average, and also this one is going to this area. So we'll see how it goes, because this is a breakout level. The one that I'm saying this is important just because of this. So let me just clean this stuff. Here's the W pattern, here's the gap, here's the breakout formation. So right now we are just at the breakout formation. So this initiate this rally. So buyers are gonna recommit back again to buy this stuff here at the breakout level. So we'll see how it goes. GDXJ 2.8% to the downside. So GDXJ, the same pattern, it goes to here. AEM 18 cents to the downside. Nothing bad, nothing good. NEM 29 cents, just still consolidating here. Franco-Nevada 53 cents to the downside. Gold barrick 9 cents to the upside. So gold barrick, if it recaptures 20, that would be a bullish scenario for gold barrick. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the energy. Interestingly, when crude was down, energy was up. So XLE, which is a spider, energy spider, this one is going up today. And it's pretty nice to see when stocks are just leading the market to the upside. XOP 67 cents to the upside. OIH $3.60 to the upside. OIH actually can just break out to the upside. If you ask me, if it goes above 280, 284, that's going to be a nice signal for the upside. So this bull flag can initiate rally to 317, which is the ultimate target, at least for now. XOM, which is oil and gas export, Exxon, this one, after yesterday rally, just to continue the rally to the upside, 26 cents to the upside. Chevron 48 cents, Doji bar downside, Oxy just 12 cents downside. Nothing good, nothing bad. REIT just 8 cents to the downside, nothing good, nothing bad. REIT needs to close above this to get to the rally. Otherwise, it's just consolidating and digesting the price. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.